The sounds we are going to practice in this video is the sounds W. Repeat after me. W. W. W in wave. Again, wave. Wealth. Again, wealth. Weird. Again, weird. Watch. Again, watch. What other words have the initial sounds W? Bewitch. Again, bewitch. Beware. Again, beware. Awkward. Again, awkward. Walkway. Again, walkway. Equal. Again, equal. Likewise. Again, likewise. What other words have the middle sounds W? Inquire. Again, inquire. Liquid. Again, liquid. Question. Again, question. Quarrel. Again, quarrel. What other words have the final sounds W? Now, let's practice phrases with the sounds W. Pour water. Again, pour water. Cold weather. Again, cold weather. Lost wallet. Again, lost wallet. Big world. Again, big world. Gray wolf. Again, gray wolf. Now, let's practice sentence with the sounds W. Their wedding was today. Again, their wedding was today. Cold water is refreshing on a hot day. Again, cold water is refreshing on a hot day. He is a worn on his finger. He has a worn on his finger. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sounds W. W. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.